Hello everybody, welcome back. Today is 30th of May 2025 and we are on Xauusd chart on 5 minutes time frame. So let's have an overlook about the market and what is currently happening. Please stay with me to the end of the video and you can have some expectations for the New York session and what's going on exactly and why the market is moving like here today. Alright, as you see, I'm in a live trade right now. I have opened 2 positions. Market is rallying upside. Don't just look into this channel. There are other reasons behind this. However, I don't know whether this trade is going to work or not, but the only thing that I can tell you is that I have taken this trade because I want to give you a lesson. So stay with me and see what's going on today. Alright, let me zoom in a little bit on this chart. Market began with this bearish behavior. Lots of people say it engulfing market, whatever it is, you can call it. I don't care. So market was considerably consolidating in the beginning hours of the day. So it was in a trading range behavior. I'm going to mark it from the top to the bottom like this, okay? And so top to the bottom, if this is the trading zone, so when market breaks, I expect it to move as just to the distance from the bottom to the top of the trading range. That's why I have measured this white, and I can easily name this the measure move target, exactly like this. So if you had taken this trade here, if you had taken this, if I consider this as a short signal, you could have definitely take it. There is a reason, because this is an outside bearish bar which is so strong in the direction of the market, and this is also a low one setup, this bullish candle and price action course, which is going to get started from today. I'm going to tell you exactly in sessions that what type of signal this is exactly. So market comes down in a very strong bearish momentum, touches this level, and it's a profit target here. So if you had taken this from the bottom to the top of this engulfing bar, you could just measure it 1-2 risk to reward ratio. You could have easily taken it. Then when you see this, it's something like a tight channel. Yes, I accept that. You're right if you call it whatever you want to call it, but it has a lot of bearish momentum. And if you just look in lower time frame, this is a leg with some in fact each bar covering the previous one. So on higher time frame, it's a spike. So if I just zoom in a little and show you this behavior after a spike, after this spike, we know it's time to enter into the channel phase, and you see clearly this is the channel. I have marked it, and channels, we know, again, there's a point here, channels end in 3 touches. The first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. That's why market rallied upside here. A lot of people can't work with channels. There is a reason, because they don't know where exactly channels finish. When channels touch, when price touches the trend channel line for the third time, you should be worried and see whether it is going to hold this place or not. And lots of people might have trading the channel, and there is no problem. You could have even buy or sell, since we know channels are slower prices of the spike. Okay, now after channels finish, market enters the trading range. So this is the beginning of the channel, this is the bottom of the channel. So I expect market to consolidate between this level. So as long as we are in a trading range, you can expect to do anything except buy low and sell high. It means you can sell these highs and buy these lows. And this low is also really important today, because if this is the top of the day, and if you are a day trader, this is the top and this is the bottom of the day, this low at the third touch of the trend channel line. So you can expect market to consolidate between these 2 levels, and I believe today is a trending trading range. This is what market tells me at this right now. So don't forget the strategies. Don't forget to remember the market spike channel. Right now we are in a trading range. I have taken this line, and I don't know whether it's going to work it or not. I think it's a pretty risky position, and if you see lots of shadows above each candle here, let me zoom it a little in. So you see these the channel is broken, I know that, and I usually expect the first breakout from any pattern to fail so it can come down. And also I expect market to do something else. This is the previous high, so this range could be between these two places, first place, second place, third place. Right now you see market is coming down to take my stops. I don't care if this happens. When it breaks down, comes back up, I will short the market, because I know market is just forming the trading range between these zones. So it is what it is, and it's absolutely okay. Another big opportunity, I can just add to my volume and make lots of profits. If it hunts, comes back down, goes up, I will sell every pullback for lower prices. That's it, guys. This is how trade today. And for New York session, I don't know what market is doing right now. And there is another point here. Market just took my stop. I forgot to have a stop loss here. It doesn't matter. I'm going to just close it by hand and close. Now, let me tell you something else about why market touched this level. Guys, if you see from the previous day to right now, market was in a trading range behavior with a channel just going down, declining in price. When this is the case, I always measure from the bottom of the channel. Okay, so let me first delete these lines to make a clear point here. Even this one. Okay, I'm going to mark from the top to the bottom of the channel and see what's going on. So this is exactly what market tells me. It means market is in a trading range, but I know it's declining, and you can also call it channel. And even channels, when they break, you can measure from the bottom of the channel, which is here, to the top, which is exactly here. So this level and this level is highly significant. Now I can measure from the top to the bottom. Let's see what happens. Okay, measure from the top. Measure moves are yellow in my charts. Then I can now drag it downside from where the channel is broken. This line is exactly where the channel is broken. Now I'm going to mark this level, which is here. See what happens. Boom. You see this price, this level here. This is exactly when I measured from the bottom of the channel to the top, dragged it downside from where the channel was broken. It exactly gives me the point where market comes and takes the profits and goes back up. Right now market is clearly is in a trading range. No one knows what's going on, but as long as, again, still market is in a trading range, I'm going to sell highs and buy lows in trading ranges as long as it stays here. Thanks for watching. Just wait for the next updates. Tomorrow and Sunday I'm going to release another video about Bitcoin and what is happening on Bitcoin. And also the new course for price action is getting started very soon. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to be updated with this course. Thanks for watching and have a good Friday.